DJI SDR transmission can be used with the TX gimbal mounting adapter plate, TX camera mounting adapter plate, phone holder, and tablet holder, which are introduced below. The transmitter can be mounted to the camera cage using the TX camera mount adapter plate for convenient placement during use. Installation. Remove the TX camera mounting adapter plate from the packaging. Insert and tighten one of the adapter plate screws into the bottom hole of the transmitter. Then insert and tighten the other screw into the camera cage hole. The phone holder supports quick mounting of the phone and video transmission receiver. The phone clamp has a cold shoe port on both sides. A cold shoe and a 1/4-inch screw hole on the bottom of the phone holder allows for mounting on a tripod. Installation. Open the phone clamp. Place the phone in the center of the clamp. Screw the tripod into the 1/4-inch screw hole at the bottom of the holder. Mount the receiver to the phone holder and tighten the screw on the bottom of the receiver. Use the RX phone connection cable to connect the phone to the USB-C firmware update and video output port of the receiver. The pitch angle of the holder can be adjusted up to 90 degrees, and the phone clamp can rotate 90 degrees, allowing for horizontal and vertical shooting. When switching from horizontal to vertical shooting, press and hold the unlock button on the side of the holder before rotating the phone clamp to the desired position. Tablet holder. The tablet holder can hold both a tablet and a video transmission receiver at the same time, making it easy for users to view the video transmission from the camera in real time. Installation. Unfold the stand. Loosen the screw on the tablet clamp and open the clamp. Place the tablet into the center of the clamp and then tighten the screw. Mount the receiver to the tablet holder and tighten the screw on the bottom of the receiver. Use the RX to tablet connection cable to connect the tablet to the USB-C firmware update and video output port of the receiver.